Welcome back. Let's turn to one of our good news stories. Well, India Today's Pooja Shali, one of my colleagues here on the channel, was tested positive for coronavirus 2 weeks ago. She went to a quarantine in government hospital, has had first-hand experience now of how health workers are coping up with corona patients. This is Pooja's account, up close and personal. Listen to her.
कोई शेयरिंग नहीं करनी, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का घर में भी ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है। ये नहीं कि आप मतलब बाहर तो नहीं जा रहे हैं, लेकिन अपने आस पड़ोस के जो बच्चे हैं या अपने घर के जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी, ठीक है।
As per the UP government guidelines, hospital admission is mandatory for each COVID positive case.
While it is basic, it is actually a good quality, good standard room. One main bed, one attendant bed and a window. I had my own bed sheet. I had something to color sketch just to spend my time. ACs are not allowed, air conditioning, but I was given a separate fan.
This is how days were spent in an isolation ward as a COVID patient in the super speciality pediatric hospital, the PGI Noida.
So what does one get as the first meal to eat? Today I've got dalia and I have an egg, banana, and there's also a paratha with some achar. Now this basically, remember, is primarily for proteins because immunity has to be strong.
Time in isolation was spent sketching till lunch arrived. Basic lentils, rice and vegetables. Evenings were spent gazing out the window, followed by a cup of tea. Through these days, the hard work of healthcare workers was a display. As fresh COVID results came negative, a brief interaction with the staff members was an eye-opener. Sunita has been residing at the hospital premises for the last 3 months, and her day is spent serving food to patients. This healthcare worker hasn't met her family in weeks.
परिवार से नहीं मिले 3 महीने से?
परिवार से मिले हैं, जब बीपी मतलब हमारा टेस्ट हो गया, सैंपल चला गया, इसके बाद में परिवार से मिले। अगर हम अपना हिम्मत नहीं बांधेंगे तो उनको केयर कैसे कर पाएंगे? वो तो केयर करना जरूरी है।
Supervising movement of items, Naresh is ensuring basic requirements are immediately taken care of.
14 डेज कर करके शिफ्ट में ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं और 14 दिन काम करने के बाद हमको क्वारंटाइन मिलता है। फिर उसके बाद में हम दोबारा अपनी ड्यूटी पे आ जाते हैं। थोड़ी सी परेशानी होती है, लेकिन हमें इसकी कोई चिंता नहीं है। हमें मरीजों की चिंता है कि हमारे मरीज हमसे संतुष्ट होकर जाएं।
The hospital in charge has created a WhatsApp group so patients can make requests without any direct contact with the staff.
पीपीई किट पहन के जब बहुत मुश्किल आती है, गर्मी बहुत है, यहाँ एसी भी नहीं होता है, तो हमारे कल तो 2-3 जो है स्टाफ हमारे यहाँ फेंट हो गए, लेकिन हम अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि पेशेंट को मेडिसिन से कोई दिक्कत ना होने पाए, उसके हेल्थ से कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आने पाए।
I am a COVID survivor who was tested positive in contact tracing some days ago. I was then admitted into a government hospital, which I was very tensed about because there's a certain image. But what I saw here was the work of healthcare workers away from their families in this PPE kit, which has no ventilation, working for us to ensure that you and I stay safe. And I'm leaving happily to go back to my family with these forms that I'm now going to sign, and I'm going to go to my room, pick up my bags. But I just wanted to let you know that many of these staff members are not returning to their family anytime soon. They are taking care of all the rising cases, over 500 cases in Noida, Gautam Budh Nagar, and it is hopeful that their work will be appreciated as well. Signing off as a COVID survivor, Pooja Shali for India Today.
That's right. Our news anchor correspondent Pooja Shali is back with us. All hail and hearty, all set to come and anchor the news and be back in the newsroom. Are you feeling good?
I'm feeling better, much better, recovering soon, but there will be still few days. I am still stamped with quarantine, Rajdeep. But I will just make quick observations here. What I saw firsthand, and the staff members were not aware that I am from a news channel, that there is definitely a shortage of staff. each the staffer is assigned a duty, and during my stay 2 staff members collapsed in their PPE kits out of exhaustion because there's no ventilation. So their colleagues had to rush them out, which means that now the remaining staff members on duty had to tend to a whole hospital that was of COVID patients. And that made me realize how tirelessly they're working in extreme conditions. Importantly, it is important to mention here that perhaps compared to Delhi, I felt that Noida is still fairly under control. Noida administration and hospital coordination was strong. I had an ambulance at the door. I had a room reserved, fairly decent room. There was servicing being done. There was work being done by the healthcare services. However, this could be a ticking time bomb because according to Uttar Pradesh guidelines, there is no home isolation. And today itself, 95 people have tested positive. If the numbers continue to spike, home isolation is not an option. All are being put in quarantine. How will Noida administration manage? Are they playing with fire? But finally, I want to just sign off with what I saw on the WhatsApp group of this hospital, that despite grievances, the health workers kept their calm, ensured all the complaints were addressed, and were very happy to let the patients leave. But the situation was critical. There were children with strong fever were being addressed hydroxychloroquine. There was a senior citizen who was on oxygen support. So I may not have been a critical case, but there were definitely very serious cases. And that was perhaps what I saw firsthand of what this pandemic is doing.
But at the end of the day, look, at the end of the day, there is no stigma associated with being, you should wear it on your t-shirt and feel good that you've come out, and hope that many others recover. Come back soon. Welcome back. We'll see you soon, and keep smiling. Good to see you. You recover. Most people recover.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.